Rock types. There are three different types of rock, and these are igneous rocks. These are formed from magma, which is pushed up to the surface of the crust and often out through volcanoes. They contain various minerals in randomly arranged interlocking crystals. The size of the crystals depends on how quickly the magma cools. Large crystals from when magma cools slowly. Small crystals are made when it cools rapidly. There are two types of igneous rock, and they are extrusive and intrusive. Extrusive igneous rocks cool quickly above ground, and intrusive igneous rocks cool slowly underground and eventually get exposed when rocks above them wear away. Here are some examples of igneous rocks. Granite. This is an intrusive igneous rock. It is formed when magma pushes up into the crust but doesn't make it to the surface. The magma cools down slowly underground and forms large mineral crystals. The different colors in granite are crystals of different minerals. Basalt. This is an extrusive igneous rock. It is formed when magma erupts out of volcanoes. The liquid magma cools rapidly into a solid, so there is not much time for crystals to grow. As a result, the crystals in basalt are quite small. Sedimentary rocks. These are formed from layers of sediment laid down in lakes or seas over millions of years. Sedimentary rocks can also form when water evaporates and leaves a dissolved solid like salt behind. The layers are cemented together by other minerals. Fossils can form in the sediments. These are the remains of dead plants and animals, which have turned into minerals over millions of years. The type of fossil can be used to work out the relative age of the rock. An example of a sedimentary rock is sandstone. This is a sedimentary rock formed from layers of sand. It is used for building because it is relatively soft, which makes it easy to work with. Metamorphic rocks. These are the result of heat and increased pressure acting existing rocks over long periods of time. They may have really tiny crystals, and some have layers, like slate. The kind of metamorphic rock that is formed depends on what original rock was. For example, limestone is a kind of sedimentary rock. When limestone gets buried deep underground, it is subjected to increased pressure and heat. This turns limestone into a metamorphic rock called marble. Marble sometimes has different colored minerals in it,